What's up guys, we're back with the latest Samsung news, and after the first look of the Galaxy S21 and S21 Ultra, Samsung is on to some other exciting stuff. Some future plans that look really next level, official Galaxy S21 launch details, as well as some interesting details on all S21 models, some flagship grade features planned for the Galaxy A72 and A52, and finally iPhone 12 style Galaxy but a lot more futuristic. Now before we get into all this, a big shout out to Wondershare Dr. Phone for sponsoring this video. Dr. Phone by Wondershare is a one-stop shop for your iPhone or your Android device. It's got a bunch of different features, but my favorite one is the WhatsApp transfer tool. What's very interesting about this is that it lets you not only back up your WhatsApp messages, it also gives you the ability to restore that to any iPhone or Android, meaning you can transfer messages from iPhone to Android or Android to iPhone, something that's very difficult to do, but this software makes it very easy. With just a couple of clicks, you can easily back up your data and then later restore it to any device. This software is available on both Mac and Windows. In addition to WhatsApp transfer, there are features like location changer, full phone manager tools, and much more. So check out the link in the description and use my promo code for 20% off. Alright, first up, Samsung just made a better iPhone 12. Yes, we have a brand new patent via Let's Go Digital that shows off Samsung's interest on this boxy iPhone 12 look. Of course, Samsung made it 10 times better by doing something very futuristic, something that Apple cannot do at this moment. We've got a boxy metal design Galaxy smartphone with a foldable display that is different from Samsung's other foldable phones. This phone folds at a slight angle to elevate some really top-notch speakers. And not just speakers, we have microphones and other sensors on each side. What's even more interesting is that the patent describes this phone being compatible with the S Pen. This is the first time we're seeing a patent that shows off a foldable screen smartphone that supports a S Pen capability. There's a huge possibility that this year the S Pen could happen with the Z Fold 3. Furthermore, Samsung has also trademarked the word blade bezel. There is no explanation given to this word, but this could be used to describe a slim side bezel on a flat screen. Earlier this year, MariQ HD reported that Samsung might be bringing back its iconic Galaxy Alpha design in the future, which sounds really exciting because I loved that phone back in the days, and seeing something like that on a future foldable phone, perhaps the Z Flip 2, is gonna make things really premium. Thanks to Samsung's foldable tech, this allows for possibilities and features that just can't happen on an iPhone right now. So let me know what you think about this design. Again, this is just one possibility of having the foldable display to reveal certain features. Samsung can definitely add more things on top of this. Also in the news, the S21 series is very likely to come officially in the month of January. For the first time in years, Samsung is announcing its Galaxy S flagship lineup way early compared to its normal February launch time. The reason why they are doing this is because they want to make the foldable phones the star of the show, the Galaxy Z Flip 2 and the Z Fold 3. And the second reason is that they want to dominate the market because Huawei is very weak right now, and this is the perfect time to strike and get all the sales. Exynos has revealed some interesting differences between the Galaxy S21 series when it comes to the display. So the curved AMOLED display is only exclusive to the S21 Ultra, whereas the S21 and S21 Plus will get a flat AMOLED display. We've already seen how the flat AMOLED display looks on the S21, and it's very likely to look the same on the S21 Plus. Now last but not the least, we have some exciting news regarding the Galaxy A72 and A52. These are going to be Samsung's hottest upcoming phone for 2021. As you know, Galaxy A51 has been really successful in the sales. It's the best Android smartphone globally when it comes to sales. Because of that, Samsung wants to add some flagship features to the A52 and A72. Rumor has it that we might actually see the Exynos 1080 inside of the A72 and the A52. This chip is said to be stronger than the Snapdragon 865, which is crazy. The Exynos 1080 is such a huge flagship grade jump over the previous mid-range Exynos or Qualcomm chips. Honestly, this sounds too good to be true, but the rumors are pretty strong on the Exynos 1080 chip for the Galaxy A lineup. Not just that, there's a possibility of wireless charging support as well as optical image stabilization with the brand new 64 megapixel cameras. One thing I really want to see is a 90Hz refresh rate screen on the Galaxy A52 and A72. So that's all the latest Samsung news. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for all the tech coverage, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.